Hi, everybody. Monty, Thursday, week 8, November 5th. Solo activity. Interacting with circles and vocabulary in this new idea of making conjectures. An educated guess based on what you know. Okay, so here we go. All right. All we're doing this week is interacting with all this knowledge and vocabulary that deals with circles. Okay. In class, I had you draw some strange circles and try to make conjectures on what makes a square a square. Did you believe that this creation was indeed a square? And what is the conjecture you can say to make that and verify that to be true? Okay, and then we went on to make more conjectures about angle measures and arc length. So we got an angle, we have an arc. This is called an inscribed angle, this is called a central angle, and this is called an arc. So tons of vocabulary. All right, here's our practice for the day. Okay, very first item we want to do is NP. Now, because it's a line, that's a segment. Okay, so segment NP. Bingo. Done. Next, point D. Segment. What's a segment called? What's our new vocabulary word? Chord. Okay, point D. That's called the point of tangency. Okay, next one. It's a line, MN. So all of that, and when it's a line that intersects the circle twice, that's called a secant line. All right, next one, angle, TOU. It uses the center, therefore it's called a central angle. All right, next. And our next one, we did these on Tuesday, so ZOM, Z. There's a Z, there's an O, there's an M. Uses the center, so that's called a central angle. New color, ZKU, Z. ZKU. Now it intersects the outside. Even though the O is part of this segment, this blue one is called an inscribed angle. Inscribed. Okay, all right, and then we had the central angle there. And then we'll go on. ROK. Uses the center, so that's called a central angle. Okay, that's called a central angle. All right, let's move on. Now, arc. Whenever you see that little squiggle over the top, that's an arc. NPQ. Looks to me like it's a semicircle. Semicircle. Okay, it's right at 180 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to go to TRS. We'll change colors here. It's an arc, TRS. And because it's an arc, we've got to figure out TRS. To me, it looks like a diameter. So again, I think it's a semicircle, 180 degrees. Okay, and then the last one here, JML. So now we're going all the way around, more than 180. So more than 180 degrees. So that's called a major arc. All right. And I think we're going to go to our last page. There we go. Draw a radius, OE. OE. Radius. Tangent, J. Tangent at point J. Okay. Tangent touches in one spot. Label center C. Draw central angle. Boom, boom, HOI. Okay, has to use the center. Done. All right. Hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you tomorrow in class. Happy Friday, everybody.